Hello, welcome to my channel. As you can see here, a lot of snow is coming down. Snow is very heavy. Look at that. Heavy snow. It's not fluffy snow at all. And today I'm going to show you the proper way how to shovel snow without hurting your back. The proper way how to do it. I have here 3 different kinds of shovel. The small one, the red one, and the middle one, the blue one right here. It's a medium one and the larger one. And if the snow is fluffy, you want to use the larger one. You can do the snow quicker that way. You can just like push it. You have pushing motion to do it. And if the snow is heavy, try to use a smaller one. Right here, the red or the middle one, the blue one. Also, make sure you dress up really good. If you're going to be doing snow, if you're going to spend a couple hours doing snow outside and the weather is cold, make sure you have a waterproof gloves like this, a jacket with a hood, and if you have snow pants, put it on so it protects your legs so you won't have frostbite. And yeah, it's very important if you stay outside for a long time to do snow. You have if you have a big driveway, and make sure you have a bottle of water, keep yourself hydrated. And let me demonstrate how to shovel this snow right here. Yes, since the snow is a very heavy snow, use a smaller shovel to do it. And so what you want to do is you want to bend your knees and let your knees and your leg doing most of the work instead of your back. This way you won't have a back problem. So bend it and right here, scoop up a little bit at a time. It's a heavy snow right here, this one. Scoop a little bit at a time. Don't scoop too much. There. Bend your knees. And do it at a slow pace. Do not try to exert yourself. Do not, don't do it too fast. Do it at a slow pace. Take your time. Like that. Remember, if you don't do it properly, you just do it, you might hurt your back. That's not what you want here. Bend your knees. Yeah. And take a little rest here and there in between if you feel like your back start to hurt. Do not overexert yourself. Just do it slowly at a moderate pace. That's it. And so that's how you do it. And like I say, the main thing is bend your knee. Do not stand up straight and then try to lift up the heavy snow like this. You can hurt your back if you do it for a long time, for like half an hour to an hour. And then always take breaks in between. Take break here and there. Do it on a moderate pace. Do not overexert yourself. And that's it. And so thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.